Hello buddies, welcome back. In today's tutorial we will see how we can lock our browser using an extension or add-on. First of all, we have to search for Chrome Web Store and then browser lock extension in Chrome Web Store, upper left corner search bar. So you have to install first one. Tap on it and then tap in add to Chrome button, then extension. After successful installation, a new window will appear. You have to choose a strong password and a recovery mail for password resetting purpose. Everything is fine, so let's test if it's working properly or not. So you can see a window appears for entering password before opening the browser. It will appear every time when browser will close. Do it again. Yeah, everything is working flawless.
Thanks for watching guys. If you find this tutorial helpful and want more tutorials like this, please consider liking this video and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.